Ata Māori, Mōrena. My name is Kathy Barker from Software Solutions, and this video is with regards to Microsoft Planner, and in particular the premium version of Microsoft Planner. Now what I want to look at is the topic of goals. Firstly, what are goals? Goals are high-level measurable objectives that keep teams focused on key outcomes. This ensures that tasks are performed and directed towards strategic success. By regularly reviewing goals and by linking tasks to goals, teams can improve accountability, maintain transparency, and keep everybody aligned into what matters most. Some common examples of goals would be project delivery, increased sales, product launch and customer satisfaction, boosting team productivity, compliance and training, and strategic initiatives, remaining on time and within budget. So let's have a look at this view up here called goals. And I'd like to create two goals. And I just click this button to add a goal. My first goal is finish the project on or under budget. So I add a second goal. And I've typed finish project on or before time. Now I'm able to generate tasks using this button here, or connect tasks to a particular goal, or create a new task. I'm going to connect tasks, and from here I can see a list of the tasks that I've entered into my plan, and I'll simply tick the task that I want to add to this particular goal, and I'll click save. Now I want to connect some tasks to my budget goal, and I'll save. So you can add as many goals as you like, you can connect tasks to goals, you can create new tasks, or you can even ask it to generate some tasks. Join me for the next video where we will explore the details regarding tasks.